Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a topic every homeowner should know about. Top 5 most common HVAC problems and fixes. Whether you're battling an AC that just isn't cooling right or dealing with strange noises coming from your furnace, I've got you covered with practical tips and easy fixes to keep your home comfortable year-round. Our first issue is dirty or clogged air filters. This simple yet often overlooked problem can dramatically reduce your system's efficiency. When filters get clogged with dust and debris, your HVAC unit has to work overtime, leading to poor airflow, increased energy bills, and even potential damage. The fix? Replace or clean your air filters every 1 to 3 months. Pro tip: set a reminder on your calendar. I remember a customer who ignored filter changes for too long. Their system was straining every summer. Once we cleaned and replaced the filters, not only did the airflow improve, but their energy bills dropped noticeably. A little maintenance goes a long way. Next, let's talk about thermostat troubles. Your thermostat is the command center for your HVAC system. If it's not calibrated correctly or has dead batteries, you might end up with inconsistent temperatures or even the wrong setting entirely. The quick fix here is to check the batteries and replace them if needed, and to ensure it's set to the right mode. Cooling in summer and heating in winter. You might even consider upgrading to a smart thermostat for better energy efficiency and convenience. I once had a client confused by erratic temperature swings, and a simple battery replacement and quick calibration fixed the issue instantly. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Now let's move on to refrigerant leaks. Low refrigerant levels force your AC to work harder, leading to poor cooling performance and higher energy consumption. Besides hurting your system's efficiency, refrigerant leaks can also be dangerous if not addressed properly. If you notice reduced cooling, hear hissing or bubbling sounds near the unit, or see ice buildup on the coils, these could be signs of a leak. In these cases, it's best to call a professional right away. Over my years in the field, I've seen that timely detection and repair can prevent major damage and save you from costly repairs down the road. Another common issue is frozen evaporator coils. When the coils freeze, it's usually a sign of underlying problems, like poor airflow or low refrigerant levels. Frozen coils can seriously reduce your system's ability to cool your home and might eventually cause a complete shutdown. The remedy is simple. Turn off your system to let the ice melt completely, check your air filters, and ensure there's proper airflow around the unit. I once received a call from a homeowner whose unit had frozen on a particularly hot day. Once we addressed the airflow issues and replenished the refrigerant, the problem was solved. If your coils freeze, don't keep running the system. It could lead to more severe damage. Finally, let's cover electrical issues. Loose wiring, worn-out contacts, or even a tripped circuit breaker can cause your HVAC system to malfunction or shut down entirely. Electrical issues are tricky and potentially dangerous if you're not familiar with the system's components. Always turn off power at the breaker before inspecting your unit, and look for signs like burnt wires or loose connections. If you're in doubt, call a professional technician immediately. I've seen cases where a small electrical hiccup, if ignored, led to a complete system failure. Your safety and the longevity of your HVAC system should always come first. So there you have it, the top 5 most common HVAC problems and fixes that every homeowner should know. To recap, keep your filters clean, check your thermostat regularly, watch for signs of refrigerant leaks, address frozen coils quickly, and never overlook electrical issues. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more HVAC maintenance advice, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. And if you have any questions or need further advice, drop a comment below. I'd love to help out. Remember, regular maintenance and a little know-how can keep your HVAC system running smoothly, save you money, and keep your home comfy all year long. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.